I want to show you this little trauma kit that I made. Um, I'm really excited about it. I was looking for a very light but feasible option for a trauma kit while on the hunt. And this is what I came up with. The pouch is a 40 millimeter or flare pouch. And I got several of these and really have been looking for something to do with them, and now I know. Now I have cut off the elastic that was on each side. You don't have to do that, but I just thought I would go ahead and do it to streamline the process of getting it in. And what I have in here, now this bag just happened to be from I think a Recon Medical tourniquet came in that, and so it's just the perfect size bag. But what I have in it is a TK4 tourniquet, some bleed stop, and some compressed gauze. The minimum that you would want to have to treat a trauma gunshot wound. And there's Birdie. So there we go. That's what's inside. Some out of date. That's why it was only $1. But hey, it's still sealed. Compressed gauze, that's what is that, 4.5 inches by 4.1 yards. And then some of this Walmart bleed stop, hey, endorsed by Lou Ferrigno, and a TK4 tourniquet. And if you're not familiar with the TK4 tourniquet, it was issued for the United States Marine Corps, and to my knowledge it worked just fine, but they have quit issuing this and have gone to I think a soft T tourniquet. So I can get these pretty cheap, and they're pretty good tourniquets. You can find online, how to use them. And if you can find some of these, they seem like good tourniquets to me. I've tried them, and they will work in stopping your pulse, which is the best test for a tourniquet I know, short of using it in a real situation. So if I didn't have it in this bag, it would not all hold together. So that's an important part of this. But I do have it, and it fits pretty good. And I'm very, very excited about this poor man's small trauma kit. So there it is, all back in its container. It's very light, very tight. I'm very happy about it. Very happy. Thanks for watching.